Okay, so what we have here is a notebook computer where we've gone in and cut into its power, to its charging circuit. And this logic, which will reduce down to something really, really, really small when it gets put in the product, is prototype hardware to do power delivery. It negotiates the voltages, it it controls the flow of power and all that. Similar technology is integrated into the back of this monitor. We cracked open, and did that. Also in this monitor is, of course, a USB hub and a connection into its display. So this display is actually running as a USB connected display through a USB connector that's plugged in the back of the notebook. That monitor is plugged into this monitor through its hub and is similarly a USB monitor.
So it's daisy chained off.
So you can see he's daisy chained from here into here and plugged into the monitor, and he's running off USB.
Wow.
So he's not HDMI, he's not DisplayPort.
It's just
he's
USB.
Not VGA, he's USB. And he's got a hub, he's got a thumb drive plugged into him.
Which we can access from over there.
Wow,
So we're accessing the thumb drive, we're running the displays, and then the real cool part is we aren't plugged in. And this guy is being powered by this monitor.
Wow, okay.
So
here's the USB.
So when you come back and look, you'll see that, in fact, battery's almost fully charged, but you'll see that he's, in fact, plugged in. I'm going to unplug him. He's immediately lost his power. He's now going to be consuming power at whatever rate he consumes it. The monitors have gone away. The thumb drive's gone away because I'm not connected.
I see. Yeah.
Right? So when I reconnect it, and this is the part I ask a little forgiveness because the enumeration of monitors on Vista
takes a while,
takes a long time. But the power circuits are almost instant. There you go. We're back to charge. Now it's doing the monitor enumeration. We have some demos outside.
Did you get a picture of the charger again?
Yeah.
So okay.
It's doing that. It's also having trouble with recognizing something in the display, but the USB thing.
Just another task.
It's a Vista work. I don't even know why we got a Vista version of this setup, but somebody did that.
But it works.
But anyhow, what you're saying, the fact that we got it to work at all. So now the monitors are back.
And you can move this to show.
I mean, it's
not a.
It's real. It's
a real thing.
It's a pain in the butt to move things, but it's Jeff's. Hey, you gotten good at that, Jeff. So it's a little hard to play with monitors that are across the world.
And this is 65 watts to this notebook.
So we're actually powering a 65-watt notebook off of the. So this guy's AC connection is supplying his power and
the notebook's
USB
power
delivery.
Wow. So this is 65 watts.
Yeah, it's a 65 watt. This charger is rated at a 65 watt.
There's a little bit of chatter.
Well, again, this
FPS,
is Vista. And it's just some drivers loaded on top of this. This is not.
And it's not final.
This is not final. I mean, Windows 8.
This is a prototype.
You go to Windows 8 to get native support for USB 3.
Right. And we can see the jump drive, can't we?
So this is not. This is a patchwork of old technology.
But it works.
If you go outside to DisplayLink, and we acknowledge they helped us put this demo together. If you go outside, they can show you a up-to-date demo, and in their case, they're running HD.
Okay.
So you'll be able to see, more realistic.
What resolution are these?
We can look them up, I suppose. What do we do?
Right-click on the desktop?
Right-click on the desktop. And, this is going to be weird because it's the Intel driver. How do you look
I know how to get to it.
Okay,
I think
you know how, I don't.
It's personalized, and then you have to go to
you're going to do it through the, but I think it still brings
display
up the
settings.
Same. There you go. So that
okay.
What is it running?
The leftmost one is 1080p.
Okay.
The middle one is 2048 by 1152.
And then the native is 900.
1440 by 900. Nice.
So.
Yeah, and it shows DisplayLink